Hello kids, welcome back to another session. In today's session, we are going to do questions based on plus one small friends formula. Okay, where do we apply this formula? What's the formula? Let's learn everything. Okay, first of all, we apply this formula wherever we get stuck in adding one. That means whenever I'm doing questions on my abacus and I'll be stuck to add one. Okay, I'll not have any beads left to add one. I will apply this formula, which is plus 5 minus 4. 5 is our god, we have already learned, and 4 is our friend. Okay, so the formula comes out to be plus god minus friend. Okay, let's solve the question. We are going to start from the B row. A row is your homework. Okay, you will let me know the answers in the comments of the A row. We'll do the B row. Okay, B row first question 1 added 1 plus 3. Now I have to add another one. Can I see the beads to add another one? Do I have enough beads to add one? No, right? So what did I tell you? Where do you apply plus one's formula? Where you don't have enough beads to add plus one, right? Where you don't have enough beads to add plus one. So I don't have beads to add plus one now. Now I can apply this formula. How? What does the formula says? Plus 5 minus 4. That's what I'll do. Plus 5 minus 4. What did I do? I didn't have enough beads to add 1. So I applied its formula and I got 5. Then plus 1. Okay, my answer is 6. That means wherever we are stuck to add 1, we will apply its formula and solve it further. Okay, my answer is 6. Next question. 1 plus 2 plus 1. Now again we have to add 1 and we don't have enough beads. So formula of 1 plus 5 minus 4 plus 5 minus 4. My answer is what? 5. I hope it's clear guys. Okay. Next. 2, 1, again 1 plus 1 now. Now, do I have enough beads to add 1? Again, no. So, what is the formula of 1? Plus 5 minus 4. My answer is 5. Next. 3, 1, again 1. Do I have enough beads to add 1 now? No. So, formula of 1 plus 5 minus 4. And now plus 2. My answer is 7. What did I do when I got stuck in 1? I did 3 plus 1. I didn't had enough beads to add 1. So, I did plus 5 minus 4 and then I added 2. My answer is 7. Okay. Next. 1, again 1, 2 and 1. Do I have enough beads to add 1 now? No. So formula of 1 plus 5 minus 4. My answer is 5. Okay. So guys, your first row is homework now. Do let me know the answers in the comments. Okay. If you have any doubt, you can let me know that as well. I'll see you in the next class now. Bye bye.